Hello guys, it's your boy Jamini and welcome for a new tutorial. Today we're doing five Michael Jackson moves. Are you ready?
Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. We do easy dance tutorial of popular dance moves and viral dances, and we post a video every week. Now back to the tutorial.
So we're gonna start with the first move, which is the Airwalk. Yes, so basically you're gonna step on left, put all the weight on the left, and you're gonna push yourself up as you slide on the right, and then you change. I'm placing my weight on the right, lift myself up, and slide in the left. Boom. So it's a move of weight change to put some pressure on your left leg to let your right slide. Boom, and change. Shoom, back, boom, back, shoom, back. All right, let's try together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, right, 2, 1, 2. Second move we're gonna learn is the Billie Jean footwork. Yes. So basically, you're gonna lean forward, bend your knees, okay, and then just an attack with your toes, and bring back and switch, bring back and switch. So back switch, back switch, back switch. The upper body it just revenge and do it your way. Okay, so it's gonna be 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, and you repeat and 1 and 2. Let's try together slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Tempo 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 1 and more and adore it and then 1 8 and all right. First move we're gonna do is the spin. I'm gonna talk by this record the spin. So it goes like moving over. Yes, we can do 1 or 2. So I let just do 1. All right. So you come high, turn out on your left, and open your boom. This is the prep. Yes. So prep. You can also jump into it. So slowly prep, cross with your right, and then we're gonna turn, spin, 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 spin. For the track, my right gonna be on the heel, and my left gonna be on the toes. Okay. So when I'm here, my right is on the heel, my left is on the toes, and I'm spinning, 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 spinning. Yeah. So it's a prep, it's a cross, it's a turn. Okay, let's try together. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and turn. 8 and 6, 7, and 1, 2, and turn. Okay, I will revise them. 5, 6, 7, and no 1, 2, turn. Again, 6, 7, and no 1, 2, turn. Okay. Boom. Now we're gonna move to the fourth step with the toe stand. Okay, so for the toe stand, I'm gonna turn back to my side. Basically, you need to go on your toes like this and sit. Okay, so it's about to the core, contract your core and balance. So you can practice for the something. Boom, bam, boom. It's hard to do it slowly. You have to cook in a jump, okay, and sit at the same time. So the stick is like this, and then you jump on your toes. Okay, so for this one to practice, I advise you to hold into something and then make it slow. Boom, boom, boom. Find the balance and slowly go down until you can hold it off. And that's what took it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. All right, let's go with the fifth move, which is the footwork and chest pop. So you do it like this, you do it like that. Okay, so my way of doing it is like I'm gonna bring in the left, open the right a little bit, bring back the right, open the left, grip, and chest pop. Okay, so left, right, left, and hit. So slow. It's gonna be boom, left. Change the weight, right. Bring back the weight on the right, open left of the toes. Prep, hit. Yes. So, tam, ti, da, ta, ka. Da, ti, da, da, ka. Okay, let's try together very slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, hit it. So left, right, left, and hit. Again, easily show. 6, 7, 3, beat. Left, right, left, hit. Left, right, left, hit. Left, right, left, hit. Let's try to get a tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tadi tiga back. Tadi tiga back. Tadi tiga back. Even faster. 5 and 6 and 7 8. It can be like 5. Tadi tiga back. Tadi tiga back. Tadi tiga back. Boom. All right, guys. That's it for today. I hope you love it. See you next time. Tuesday.
Thanks for watching our video till the end. I hope you like it. Don't hesitate to leave a comment. And please like and subscribe. Bye.